Hello there. Is there anything I can buy that will actually make me money? I don't know, like maybe if I could buy this gluten-free instant oatmeal crab and try to resell it and make money well today. I am going to share with you 5 different $10 investments that you can use to make your money back. My name is Deji, and I am your life coach. Before we continue, let us go and talk about our sponsors. Hey everyone, my name is Deji. I'm excited to share an amazing opportunity with you today, especially all my women out there from all walks of life. Whether you are a nurse, a single mom, a widow, a small business owner, a student, or even you are a scientist, this grant opportunity is for you. I'm talking about a grant from our sponsor. They're offering funding of $5,000 up to $15,000 to help support your dream and goals. Don't miss out on this chance to make a real difference in your own life. Watch the clip at the end of this video. That way you can get more information on how to take advantage of this incredible opportunity. It could be a once in a lifetime opportunity, so I don't want you to miss out on it. Till I come your way in my next video, thank you very much, and I'll see you again. Welcome back. Ever wondered if there is anything you can buy that actually makes you money? Have you ever thought about buying something that could actually make you money? Maybe you have seen a product like a gluten-free oatmeal that could be resold for profit, or perhaps you have wondered if there are other small investments that could lead to big returns. Well, today I am going to share with you 5 simple low-cost investments that you can start with as little as $10. Just $10. Yes, you heard me right, $10 that can begin working for you today. Why investing matters? It's not about how much you start with. Let's get that really clear right away. When it comes to building wealth, the magic isn't in the amount, in how much that you start with. It's what is with it's about investing in assets and not liability. That's the bottom line. You see, growing up, I didn't come from a family of millionaires. Okay, we were a middle-class family just trying to make ends meet. But one thing I realized early in life is that wealthy people don't get rich by working hard. They don't. They get rich by investing. And I learned that investing doesn't have to start with a huge sum of money. In fact, you don't need to wait until you have a lot of money to start. No, you don't need to wait before you start building wealth. Even with a small $10 bill, you can begin the journey of turning that money into something bigger, okay? The key is starting now. Yes, starting now. Making smart choices with whatever resources you have is already in your hand. All you need is good strategy. The trap of liabilities, why most people stay stuck. Here is the truth that most people don't realize. The average person spends their life working hard for money, okay? But then they spend that money on stuff that doesn't work for them, okay? Think about it. Bills, phones, subscription, that daily coffee, clothes, gadgets, the list goes on. These are liabilities, things that drain your money instead of helping you grow it. But yeah, here's the thing. You don't have to stay stuck in that circle. No, you don't have to. There's a way out. The key is learning how to invest in assets, things that will generate income or increase in value over time. Yes, that can be done even with just $10. The moment I realized the power of investing, when I first landed my full-time job out of college, I realized just how little money I made. But also, I realized that the choices I made with that money were going to determine whether I stay stuck in that middle class or if I could create something more. I had two parts. I could work hard, pay my bills, and keep on living paycheck to paycheck. Or I could invest wisely, even with the so-called small amount of money, and set up myself for a financial future. For example, I didn't buy stuff like, many people of my age. I started looking at things like real estate, stock, even vending machine, assets that actually make money while you sleep. Vending machine, yeah, that's right, you heard me right. A vending machine can turn $1 into 70 cents of profit from a soda, just a can of soda. That's an asset, a business that pays you over and over again. And guess what? You can start building your own asset right now, even if all you have is $10. Let me walk you through it. It's 5 easy, low-cost ways to get smart. Okay, 5 simple investments you can start with just $10. Number one on my list is cryptocurrency. A small bet with a big potential. Now, I know cryptocurrency can be very volatile. Yes, we all know that, and it's definitely a high-risk investment. But it's amazing thing is that you can start investing in cryptocurrency with less than $10. Okay, you don't have to have a whole Bitcoin. You can buy a fraction of Bitcoin. Even with small investments, you could be part of that emerging financial trend. Okay, many people believe that cryptocurrency will play a significant role in the future of finance, and getting started now with a tiny amount could position you to capitalize on that in the future. Just remember, this is a long play, and it's essential to do your research before diving into it. The second one I'm going to be talking about is another interesting one. Is stock. Yes, you had me right. Stock. You can start small and grow big. You don't need a huge budget to begin investing in stock. In fact, there are plenty of solid stocks out there that are under $10 per share. Companies like Sirius XM, ADT, and Nokia, just to mention a few of stocks that are affordable and have growth potentials. Okay, when you buy stock at a low price, you are setting yourself up for future growth. If these companies do well, your initial investment grows with them. It's a slow and steady approach. This time, with time, okay, those small investments can snowball into something really, really big. Number 3 is domain names. A $10 investment with big potential. Here is a strategy that's easy and requires very little capital upfront. Buying domain names, you can purchase a domain name for as little as $10, even or less. Some savvy investors buy up domain names that are trendy, popular, or have future potential, and hold on to them. Later, they sell those domain names for a profit. Sometimes a significant profit. It's a game of timing and trend. So doing some research on what could be in demand in the future is key. It may sound simple, but many people have turned a $10 investment into a domain into thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars down the line. Yes. So the next one, number 4, is peer-to-peer investment, a smart way to grow your money. Did you know that you can start investing in small business for just $10? With peer-to-peer investment platforms, you can purchase bonds that offers a steady return, often around 5% per year. This is an accessible and easy way to start making your money, making your money work for you. Peer-to-peer lending connects you directly to people and businesses that need funding, and you can you can earn return on investment as these businesses grow and thrive. It's a simple concept, but when done correctly, it can lead to a great return with minimal effort. Okay. The number 5 is education. The best investment you can make. Lastly, let's talk about the best investment you can make in yourself. For just $10, you can buy a book that teaches you invaluable lessons about money, business, and wealth building strategies. I tell you right now, some of the first $1 million that I made from the knowledge I gained by reading books. Yeah, I didn't have a rich uncle or a secret investor that I had. It was hunger for knowledge, right? And I used that to fuel my journey. Investing in education is one of the most powerful ways you can change your financial trajectory. The lesson you learn can open doors to opportunities that would otherwise be out of your reach. Yes. What's the takeaway here? Start investing today. Yes, you have to start investing today. So what's the takeaway from all this? It's simple. Again, start investing today with just $10. The sooner you start, the sooner you will see your money grow, whether it's stock, crypto, domain name, peer-to-peer lending, or education. You have the ability to make your money work for you. Yes, no matter your point, the point you're starting in life, over time you will get better at it. You will learn how to make smarter decisions and how to grow your investment. And as your financial knowledge expands, so your wealth, ready to take action. Okay. Learn about business that can grow you big with returns with a small investment. Let's get started by making money work for you. So, I cannot overstress it. I cannot overemphasize it, that when you follow all these steps meticulously, it's only a matter of time before you begin to see the dividends of those steps, right? Above all of them, like education is the most priceless ones, because it opens doors to fortunes, like things that you don't even know, that you probably wouldn't have anybody hold you by hand and tell you, like, hey, this is the A to Z for this is how it's done. But like when you dip yourself into getting books, getting educative materials about your dreams, your goals, your aspirations, it's only a matter of time you will get to the destination. So management, wealth building, and business development. Let me tell you something. Some of the first few millionaires that I've met, directly, like the first thing they talked about, when you listen to them talk, what you hear is knowledge, is information. We are in the age of information technology. That's why you have a whole area of study that is called information technology, right? So education is so priceless. You cannot put a price on it. But the good news is that you can even start really, really small. You don't have to be born into wealthy family, or no, you don't. You can always start from where you are right now. It doesn't matter. You could be like a new college graduate. Maybe you are in your 20s, or maybe you've already worked. You're already in the labor force. You're in your 30s, and you've made some mistakes in life about your finances. That's okay. That's fine. All you just have to do is dust yourself up right now. Put yourself together. It's time to move forward. You can do it. All you just have to do is first believe in yourself. Self-belief is very, very important. Nobody's going to be you. That's why you have your fingerprint. That is just you. That's why you have your thumbprint. That's why you have your facial, identification that is different from every other human being on the face of the earth. People can look like you, but it can't be you. So you can look like other people too, but you cannot be them. So, in closing, I also want to add this to it. Mentorship, it's very important. You need to be mentored by somebody that have been ahead of you in the journey you want to take. So, for instance, you want to have success in finance. So, get somebody that like you can tell that, okay, this person is far ahead of me. He has what I'm trying to get, and is willing to teach.
As a woman with a vision, I know how crucial it is to have the right support to elevate my aspirations. That's why I'm excited about the Women's Empowerment Grant. This quarterly opportunity offers grants between $5,000 and $15,000, empowering women like me to turn our dreams into reality. Whether I'm launching a startup, furthering my education, or leading a community initiative, this grant fuels my journey. Applications are open year-round, with quarterly reviews to select inspiring women. This is my chance to make a difference. The application process is ongoing, and I'm excited to be part of a community of inspiring women. This is my chance to fuel my journey and make a real impact. I'm applying now because my vision deserves to thrive. Visit the website to learn more and join me in this empowering journey.